Okay. What you go guys?
Udonukera rumwe pasi.
Maginya.
Kamera teko donukera.
Daviza mariti sana udonukera.
What do you mean it's son?
No, like watching her.
Stay soft to jit son.
At least it stays off to. Cause you're not facing over your mother nazo.
Oh, you know me para green pasi seat.
That's just you maloko.
Just woman.
Na stays off nani green.
Neti nana cologne. No popi azi safe kana.
Mean.
Zi cologne is loja green.
Ngani.
I don't know if he idotanga mlilo.
Nimzi mdazi na ntiyo renga ile. I bet you would dorela zit.
I don't know, I've never really thought of it. My car always smells good. I feel like my car smells like me.
Mine smells so nice.
My car always smells good. Ndifunga inukera sana. Ndifunga cologne. I mean, ndizura kayo. Siwezi kusana ni mala. My little handbag is there. My makeup bag is there.
Muntu njidura nae. And if you unukera design and all that, probably I change your perfume. You're gonna feel it maybe the first 2 days, and then from there you get used to it. Is it correct?
No, I'm saying ndizura nae. Ndizura na nani mandi asfura dora pio na mus.
Awangudura yo.
What
That's the time.
Don't my show, ma'am.
Okay, 2:45. Welcome to the Black Couch Diaries. Official, not uzuri mi ino aneza dichi uzaturi. I'm officially back. Itina ruko zwipa nimsi yako onesa.
Man, Jagad.
No.
It was a month ago.
No, wait. Wafa. It was like a week back, man.
Rituko shoot a rot and then it was a week back.
2 weeks back then.
No, we went shot together.
Ngorula sukari ngo shoot ati rar kweta zotambanga.
No, you like me go shoot.
Ro shoot wafa. I'm going to check.
Ro shoot nga April mara. Yonga May mara. Matomoni first week.
Wafa unalishanyu wena kirle.
Asilishanyu ndilishanyu.
Lifilishanyu. Oh.
Mina benibona ngojela mashanyu.
So this whole time I thought kilishanyu man.
Okay.
3 weeks back. Hey guys, the diaries are pushing. You guys are loving them, hey?
You got guy 3 weeks back.
12K.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good, guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so welcome to another episode of the Black Couch Diaries. Officially back. Right?
What do you want to learn to your...
Yeah, guys.
Oh, yeah.
When would you
Orengana watch?
Nyakare watch.
Ujiperani ba?
I watch.
Antuene ba no yembar.
Ndembaranga isibabalist.
Iwe yango isibabalist na ngomo.
Apana.
Ende bana ngomo.
Nani we ngo isibabalist.
Lo yango ndidorengera nyinyi iwe bathu baya mutega bathu.
Nomtutegwa.
Onto sendeliwa mumu.
Chigona chomfonera chari. Iri wani kunyamba bathu tozodinde.
No funanga.
Chigwela. Ibla richamba za. Za bibili.
Oh! Mufunzi. Oh!
Barka familia be.
Achambiwa.
Chari choni chandarera machakatoita.
Ndi kwini magazine phone. What about those what don't you want to get confusion?
Ne. Nendidini man. How are you?
I'm right.
How are you, man?
That's weird.
In the longest, yeah.
That's weird, though.
How is it weird?
Okay, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not affectionate enough. Speaking of, I am not affectionate at all, guys.
What makes you say that?
I'm not.
Wait a
minute.
minute.
Then I need to feel so finimoag.
Oh.
Is it
a bad thing?
It is.
No, not to affectionate.
It is because I feel like react to something right here, but you don't know what it is.
No, I'm sure it's just back then. Sure, you don't know what it is.
No, I wish I did. I really wish I knew why I'm not like.
And then that's the funny aga.
But it's different. No, not covered. Yeah, if you're my friend, you're never gonna get that side of me. I might love you more, but you're never gonna get that side of me. The okay, many minutes of only reach.
Tiko penya 9. Abendo dora mfrano.
Niko
9 niko penya so amazimi.
Niko ndo kuzori na dora. Nembe ndi bantu mix amabili sometimes.
You got to check, guys. Also, speaking of friends and all that, when I love video and I post that, who are those people? No, hey,
who are those people?
Yeah, I'm in Fistos.
Na promise, you know promise.
Ndido promise makukanya pezi.
No, ndibe bararu edzenda.
Is it only 3 people? Oh, damn.
But Fistos odito doborora ka imwe kana or something.
Can you swim?
Yeah, ndo too good at this year. I went for swimming lessons this year. And I okule na ini. Immigrant myself for
me. Mngana.
Yo,
so Tebelisa. I go zivo. I don't roto. Sorry.
And it's just gonna say that like Richard swimming lesson una but we were right like vele ba age udotoma niyayibona genge nokubochaisa ndira gymnastics ndibana zvito tired and then bachiboko jera rine ari tiri varoto jera pa number 1k ngazi tight na mimi ndomona mtu ana 40 yako good una chance kori ina chance
good 40 ngati good la mimi
unoba munna ndoro jela bad reveri kutoba kuza uri abako nuvera
as office mara
Mr. Nyinyi. No, like I was doing so well, and then daddy chazunongantania whether although my deva kupisa mara ndichibvandia tetemera so the asthma, the health, it was not working. So I was like the vieranga sam, yo. I was like the vieranga sam, but it was really good, and I really also saw it naka movie wangu it was good for exercise. It was like exercise. I really saw a lot of there are no net. It's good. You'd love it. Ndikuwa now. Not even an hour, 30 minutes.
Oh, then chedi bekuliwa kuzi.
No, aikuliwa.
Mara ninga inini yakona zinoza ukuma like.
Usi uzalwa nje. Usi zinena ngamposa wanje.
Puluni mara. Rani posa puluni you.
Ha, ndikabuye. I would come back now. Ndandisa ngabuyi.
I think yesu juji. Lakusubzamia I think this other day. Urumbeba strict chunga naye wani kakisa. Cause never twache bambera mlamboni twinga. Mara nilisa ngo dozori.
Chocolate ndikai. Nimanini. My late brother used to go chocolate. It was very dangerous.
Mudau.
I remember this one time we are obaisara. Like ngorni jena ubuna miri una min. We are lomu wire like obaisara terribly. Osumbezane. I don't know asong amba. Haya nini dornoli wala. Oh, ndi braya wala. Eno obaisara gabi. Osumbeza ngorarchi ba to kurarchi tamba gashminga chi. Yeah, that was wrong. Why did tamba rote ribana? Different gender. No, it was just a thing. And for
do you think it's better of it as when you are than in Nimtoko?
As you chua total.
In a tamba namtu.
Don't wanna guide this one.
No, I'm just asking, bro. You can literally say no, Kala.
No, Nana Rita comes to Losuri, comes a reorderan. No, yo. Reorderan. Mungaku ita skin routine mungu shower and mungu achpeza raswicha. So it's basically you like we're in the same bathroom. Whereas dozori hoya achpeza man on a skin routine and then dad kopeza shower and energy and then.
Marina sishere shower. Atanzo namtana maybe.
Yo.
What do you say?
Why? No, sonda zangu just come tanan.
Really? Look at Siva. Let me see. Hey, you need this wine maziko. I'm blind.
I am very flexible in so many kind of ways. You would be shocked. Very flexible. Flexible. Anyways, me and I'm really long time as Lozera Bazaluna.
Zaluna. Oh, what did I mean?
No, for the way I said. Very Kingsley.
Oh, in your pang and into
in how are you? I don't know now. You were never ADHD.
I'm fine. I'm happy.
Not a career, I mean. What are you grateful for today? How's your heart today?
Oh, hey, serious.
How's your heart today?
I'm just happy, man.
For what?
I'm buying one. I feel like I'm going to
Kingsley, I'm sure.
When
I unemployed last week, it was called the Bishumuli. She was got that.
And now, the time I did was that data and Tangi and Indian. Love the Nicotio trauma. That's the into Wangi. aune ndakaenda azori hey
ndikopedza ke vachivona vavaviri eyo vadozozvona vaira chidhera mara I feel like it's always great to get that break
because I got 2 weeks yotova unemployed muthu ava
hani ndoiricha ndaita nopiwa hafu instead of mara ndapfura it's worth it I didn't want to go from because hange ndada ndoguma nga Friday Monday ndava ndikojena kamusho it didn't make sense to me nefuti ndototoya na Venda I went to Venda I rested you know also zvana konokubva ka environment ipiyo sometimes you just want a mental break.
Mine was good just that ndakanya kutawela ngori ndi muthu nani
ndinonela post yori atina ifa atina chelede ndikwaidhera ngori ndina ngombe
aunofindi kuendera ngori
usungopfi nashura mtu anotamba golf or whatever so your heart is grateful nenotakarira mushumo musha congratulations
toro utakarira
no haningwa utakarira mara you are grateful for it.
Yeah, I'm grateful
because it's obviously better you can't move from less to lesser.
Who told you that, man?
Nifunese chelede ini mama nifunese chelede. Hey, I'm sure not tomorrow mano nane but it's cool. Itotiwamba chitwa
guys ndambara nazvenda za owapfa just in case
Kingsley bonotekera steak achikobuza utomuridana regedo chisebo ndi apa ndi atecheresa
mtu speaking of that elia dhuba renge figure ningera rio
casino
mshumono ndando ya mshumono owapfa guys mshumono kuwa na maragu ane so mtu la zvini yatangana zvo but nezvini vatu vasokodava oh hey I'm such a fan yalla chederaini.
No, yeah, there I knew when I know Tom. I remember he was walking that way.
Mar, he knew really. Okay.
So obonaini actually comes up on one mar otumongo bonaini.
Oh guys, what for when you said date?
Oh zipa. Era na vise bangar bona obadira nyi.
Ini.
Ni apenga.
Ito phone yetsima ya banga.
Ndide wana guys chede badira.
Ofana dzimwe dzichelede dzo.
Sana peni vangana. Guys now na chipinga ni skon support na bona ndo post chinso korenga yo. Did you listen? Nkoringwa.
Nkotorengera mkona mabudzi. Oh man, I want to
ngozipa.
Mkona. Ana 1000.
Rin.
Ndichitomuvha kaini ndakweka zvino. Azvina
nichimuvha mini?
Kapo ndakwaone.
Ngombori mini nichitomoshuma nichihora murotoma.
Awu ndikoto volunteer rangi.
Zvino nichiri muchimuvha nikwamburi.
Ndichaka imwe zvamburi ya.
Nzongoripengera zvakare kare.
Zvakare ini
ngori nori.
Ndochompengera nezvi. Ni mute maginya inkombuze ni mute. Mafadha ma. Yo. Mtu. Nani kwa episode ya mwana finyi mtu adini.
I didn't really watch. I didn't kunoibona mara ndotecheresa ziclip.
Did you see the comments? The fight between Pedi and Vendas now.
Oh, ndozozovokwata. But why is she kwambiwa futhi? But I don't think she's been interviewed since. Right?
Exactly. I've never seen her on any interview before that.
But also, it's always going to be something that follows her wherever she goes. So,
can also, that's a moment for us.
And they have una opportunity to interview her. She's an artist. So, I don't think she needs to get backlash for talking about it.
I think officers are coming like literally, mara Venda bayarwa.
Bomureda.
Venda abayoni ana defend chamu mara utamba.
Nane rere boiraji. No, but I think they do, man. They do. So what she
like
repeated
why asakotenda zvopira. I mean, like she did mention also on the podcast story. No, wala mtu ombera farero na mini ro farera.
But nobody cares about that. Abako ibona.
Hey, mara zvino nerikotamba ungori mini. We want to know what happened for those that don't know. Muronga mianga vadina.
It would be great to hear it from the horse's mouth also. Upurisezvila zviya vari kuzgovona dziclip aone waini samuvudzisi.
Yeah, so you see ndinanderanga zitenda chitwa chitori chora chizongwambiwa
ngotochiri kutobhadhira studio mutu atwanzi ngokuti mutu anasoksi apenya.
Yeah, so like yeah, ndoni respect apa. Ndabona anadzi glitters narenga ke chana city pala. Oh, ekotono nigodhura hey mara.
Uya antsuvisa ndo.
Ini wine for like us to zvino ndi mashudu.
Mashudu ndini?
Chintu
chimini
chigwena chilofu no ndakuri ndini like profiles dziyafana
profile picture yanga naye chilofu dziyafana ngori mini
no,
like WhatsApp
no yanu ya WhatsApp ifana naye mashudu ya Instagram
ni ampengera ini yanga yo WhatsApp ini ni kuidibori ndipyo.
You want to explain?
Hey
no ya TikTok or the people one ya TikTok
ukadibaka people naye
ati divine
nice people game
yeah onako the story chat ya value clock. Not very. If we need a show, it's very Saturdays gana. I don't chat the those sense. You want a weekend?
Yeah, engori na msindi value clock.
Oh yeah, come. Yeah, so this is a guy.
You need go.
That's the thing. But what the rest to? as long as I podcast mara like there's no
There's
way.
niyapenga.
There's no
Not
way.
wasena niyalwala.
Zokuma. Like eloti iko ambisa wazana
Ndivyo.
ati dhiva tu yao
Okay.
ndafuma ya jambo tichato yo ya
Yo dowera nabyo nabo feel this.
nah don't think so
Okay.
hela ati iko ni ambisa ite wewe kutimeza na results za HIV
Nikuzi. Hanepala kawaje.
Nepal ya dakaneri kezi yari chakani date
Why?
ukurasimizo right
Ende zombo rako yongo tantu.
akonyogo ambara protection
Why?
because that's what he chose.
That is so weird. Jambo ni mtu ana ruma. So why are you going around explaining yourself?
I never know uri vatu kamse vatu
Dosemi wafini vatu koskodzurisa zvimwevo.
nganyinga vatu
Ngomagini. So he goes around showing results.
not really goes around like
No guma ino testiwa ini.
ne hey wafa zimbudisa oh ndonoenda the tester ndono tester before ti
Nako the testera mimi no chwa mimi.
no awana antu
You don't just wake up on a random day and be like, oh, we are going to test the AIDS lamos. That's extra weird.
no nandisa yana not university so how hey inini kuita face dzano ndisa kunya kwamba and I know what you thinking zotenzo unela zvine wasokodza dzintu vetse so yase kubidza zvitrakela nezvantu yava kutestiwa and I was like oh titi kuenda testa idzi chena baby let me go you never know comes no baby wana yana matodombuza right ndaenda testiwa and then results dzabva no right schoon
Yena do the test now.
nandi kuita wafa dochotsedza ndikwapa
Oh, okay.
So ndaita antu yainoenda the tester avakuita antu mina vana vamwe vatu anepo still vets everything is vets now uchimoni vada
Vetse ndikare nobva zvemano kumotesta ni vetse.
Why is it wrong
No, ene ndichijena panoumbera mapfura zvinobaurusa.
ina kumotestari
This year somewhere. Ndichita the blood donations.
notodita ni mune
Oi.
wait valatuva blood donations ichipedza tantu vani vuzori ini anoringa shumisa ringani umisira ni araningatoda anaedzi
Iti cool. Out ya varibudza. Out ya vamba. Tuchienda for kwamba.
So how
Mara
do you
I
know
know
whether you have it or not?
I know vaya testa zvinodzi iron and whatever mara tipo unonga manga testa iron varicha AIDS. Ngori nimbudze no jabudde pute linga pala maropa AIDS. Ndita ngalo.
that's the thing
I know but jambur comes batrosani.
ndisinoda vomura chimwe choto yatova chikodonita maropa ti obviously na vanina aids ti avangani udzi because you didn't want to know
We'll come back to that sinando hango. So what happened is ndo donate maropa rini like maybe Feb March. She bought them shumunengi I sharp I did. So bani phone just to thank you and whatever. Vambudzana blood type. And ndikuzumbura ndikunyoni kuza story chona. That's I did So vakomphone ndiko read and ndikubva mushumoni. So ndikubabudza ndiri apa atoimanya nditoimwana samwe ndikudohangwa ndiyazvidza varanga siyangu is your blood type ayamba ti ndo yangu atidi last week atidi tokatisa pabhaza I don't know it and vaita nambura usually we don't really have to tell you guys this what I don't know it bro.
Mara I also don't know my blood type
zvinoda kusave mini
no uri ini nokudziwa at least netitubudziwa
uri B iri B mini
una A na B na AB ne una AB kana ndi O
una O
hey
mara na imwe yabukati
ndimsamthi if AB tizvidivi ne
ya mara ndichapo mara si O.
do you know that valatu vawana dzimillion for maropa ve ane vani pa lunch bar
that's why una budget ngaphala ndinodobwana throw nachibhege
aulatu avapengi guys maropa anakodonate haya
so hakopuwa vatu vo free akotorengisiwa
apparently guys I don't know maybe
let's search
SNBS either that and South African National Blood Service either there too sir can you comment or no we don't sell your blood guys mara apparently those people are making millions it's an alleged thing inivoni pa kula kuntu kofi kumini lunch bar uri nive na energy vanhu va energy bars of the body not even lunch bar
and then ndo drain wanda fatwa ikudzunguruwe
vakono nipa energy bar
muna ndazvipfa zvori ndoneta like and ndabudzwa nofiti songonwa
right after like last to go mafura vaji
ini kai vachijia mukava. Here's what usually happens. Your blood is tested for infections and checked to make sure it's safe. It gets separated into components. That's not what I want to know. It distributes the blood where it's needed the most across the province it serves. They supply more than 1 million blood products every year. A lot of people are surprised to learn that your exact donation usually isn't reserved for a specific person. Once it's processed and approved, it becomes part of a national blood supply and can go to anyone whose blood type and medical needs match it. So they sell the blood.
Yeah, na yuri ambanjezo. Guys, not go zipaneza profile ya mashudu.
Hey.
No, nobody realizes ndinto. Ndi into bangapazi.
This is a common question. Yeah. In South Africa, organizations like South African National Blood Service do not pay donors for blood and do not sell donated blood as a profit-making commodity. However, hospitals and medical facilities are charged for the processing and supply of blood products. Mm-hmm. Okay. So maybe charging suppliers. Then why charge them? Obviously the process ayengorata. Then mara why usatu bana budget ya zungori iwela ka health.
Exactly. So wako ringisa maropa asho. So washika mzuri ujwala maropa nyinanyi. So wako ne jwa maropa anu a o nanga o ashuda bagete nditi. Awana muntu noka toda. Oh.
Natundopenga limudu.
So maropa zitwa ya.
Nimbuze like nimbuze mixo because I do believe uri maropa ndi zone and blood type but I feel like ngori akubva maropa mubidini wanga this it should be like connected to a couple of cells and tissues in my body that do not exist in yours, right? So Shichio Tangana, do you think it's healthy? It's giving chromosome 27, bro. I'm telling you.
Wait, so now I'm Maropa. I'm from Sanda. What did I mean? No, did I name?
Bod. Does it make you royalty?
Yeah, you have to be royal.
Sophia the First. Wait. No, mara ako do Jena atangana na anu abadao are useless.
Mara no, ajena.
Utobo dala abadao.
Ndina kudzopa nyana.
Mara utobo dala abadao. Abadao do amira. Mna umena koba ini mundu.
Maybe.
Ndiye bona riner and then anga are royal.
Nikote tumoita ntumara.
Anga royal.
Nikote tumotesti. Royal ipyo. Ino mzanda upi.
Nduwa msana mngana.
Upi.
They don't allow blood transfusion.
As it oh.
But the religion is purposes.
Oh. Una religions no yanga mtochiro.
Jehovah's Witness in the means of the
and nile blue and white.
No, like in vitamin barabatu. How are they different from just normal Christians?
They're Jehovah's Witnesses.
So they witness everything.
They've seen Jehovah.
That he did.
I don't know what makes them different, but they've got their own different laws. I feel like isn't it like that in every church?
They also have God the Mother. Those ones, remember.
Shama is giving Hindu.
Oh, Hindus have the Mother.
Hindus have over 100 gods.
Oh.
You choose. Marati, zichitaruchedziwa ti. Zvipa zvichitonga vala 7 like Elohim, Shalom and whatever and whatever. It's giving that. But you taruchedza because ndobudzisa ulangwana vakumbuza no. One is the provider, one is the what. It depends on what you're praying for. I mean, that's for so how.
Which is
but that's
true.
not.
We have that.
We have that.
Mara Trinity Gumika 3. It also is. So it's like God the Father, God the Mother, God the Son, and the Holy Spirit. I'm sure I could have known.
Mara ungasive na sanos name.
Holy Spirit comes in. Ati ulamtu oya itantu ngamuya mkheto.
Mara oba wona.
Yone mother ye. Mary Venda. That's
wrong. I don't feel as you are. Why you divisive spiritual? Yo, guys.
Hey,
religious psychosis.
So religious is your dinner, guys. Hey.
Religious.
Yeah, that's the thing. Oh, also, in this conversation, ndiko nela bo pitino farfoni ndo na wallpaper pana. Una ngachina tanga nayo. I don't know, like nando loka phone ti. I don't think this was the picture. I think it was the other one. They were called, hey, ini maskona ala wana nikuita ntu. Ndiene, wako hosti.
Awona mgona. Awona ndine. But udamba nje. Skwezela nezo like I'm so dark, dude.
I'm like, bruh.
Like, dude, uko dai watsimba nje.
Ela dia tata here, everyone ibatu maniange ngazibe natenda. Hey, Maria.
What is wrong with you people? Zifana na zvitu zo comment woka the stay kaila read yenda ita yabiwe. Yenda ndongwalo ri platonic friendships and whatever uri. People can actually be friends with males and males can be friends with
relationship and everything.
Friendship like ya gender. Antoni wanera definition yondo ndibudzena mango vatu bo 30.
What was a platonic? And kusuguda guys?
What is platonic?
Rizal ko the live.
Friendship.
So wakomana platonic is a friendship.
Yeah, because automango relationship. Platonic friendship is a close relationship between two people that is based on affection, trust, respect, and companionship without romantic and sexual involvement.
Why you go see you?
And then yeah, the key features can be emotional connection. So nimbuzeni ka platonic relationship. Isina it's romance and a sexual marriage platonic relationship is a friendship.
Yeah.
Eh, mnandu.
Jane. Relationship is the same thing. Of course, also friendship is a type of relationship.
No love, I'm shooting.
So yeah, and then I know you don't probably follow us as board and I mean, Mara, there's something that I actually realized. The squad, the Chava Fan kwa USA. Yeah, shout out to the boys. And then also I don't want to say anything. And I feel like the guy took the best squad. There is in South Africa, like Sundowns, UJKF. So they obviously the best in Africa. Pirates, League of South Africa, so they're the best in the country. And then now the problems, becomes
Pirates is the best in the country.
As it stands.
What happened to Sundowns?
Who win a league? I won't go win. What's your number 2?
Oh, Chiefs you go. Chiefs you number one. What really?
Yeah.
I used to think Pirates and Chiefs like Ziba 1 or 2.
I don't know. Sundowns was not. It was a ring about
Jealous. So Pirates is the best one
in the country. Year. Yeah, they
it was
were
my
the
grandfather's favorite one. How do you know fever yon?
So which one is yours?
Nix. Just chill.
Jenny Chiefs.
No, but I Pirates yonaga.
Chiefs never done what
I don't eat girls.
You don't wanna be dragged in.
I don't eat girls.
Okay, that's just.
I don't eat girls. If you want to join, create was done. You're never gonna out the navy.
The
Pirates, obviously.
No. This the leopard. So cool. Yeah, so I was saying.
The TTM.
Yeah, maybe you get TTM. I don't know.
Yo, na you kutamba mara to this year. The Benito mana Pirates ndo yende bona.
Oh, abe. Yeah. Shout out.
What's the problem, Chief?
So what I was trying to say, like goalkeepers in South Africa, like we have Ronwen Williams, obviously he's been the best Kozukas and Downs. And then with Sipo Chain were Pirates, and then another one was Wellel. And then with Peterson or Chiefs City, the guy has shown everyone who is the best. But for Pirates, they were gunning for him to go to the World Cup. But for Sundowns, never Chiefs, everyone was gunning for him to go to the World Cup. That guy, the Peterson or Chiefs guy.
Why?
I don't know, man. So it got me thinking, in life, no matter how good you are, the stats can back you up. You are the best. If you're not someone's favorite, you're not gonna go anywhere in life.
You're not gonna go anywhere. Need to have someone's favorite.
So that's what I was actually thinking of.
The favor, connection, nepotism.
Nepotism is actually the best thing ever.
Nepotism is the best thing that has ever happened in the world.
Should I trust my kids with you? Not
even just your kids, neighbor.
Because apparently that's what should be happening now. Like whatever be friend, as you know. Make sure
those are the people that will exactly. I strongly believe in that. The friends you are making now, if you're gonna have kids.
You've said that also before.
That's your family.
And then do you think it's possible for someone to have a friend and benefit chukai?
I don't think so.
Right.
It can be emotionally.
Yeah, but then still you benefit.
That's what I'm saying. Urinia wana something ngori
Yeah, you're still saying.
Yeah, I was still saying it can be emotional, it can be financial, it can just be because that person is really funny and they heal a part of you when you're with them. It can be you're fucked up. You don't do shit for me, bro.
No, anymore you don't, bro.
Doesn't no bika. I don't feel like switching on the stove. Go McDonald's.
Oh, you don't see McDonald's.
I don't feel like switching off the stove.
Then need to ring at it. Kailami kona nepo.
It's in
Wapa. Okay.
I'm enjoying this. ini onogoroi no zama will soft launch kadra zote niko sko tangana niko danga ubolsi and I'm like this guy is so unnecessary nicho idoja
arfarelani
yeah peace ndo uzone ndi believe ka revenge bullying mininga mini ndi and ndobona sinete akobula bathu murau. I love it.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
And ndobona sinete akobula bathu murau. I love it.
Ubulani.
No akupindura but to people that are still talking about her boobs, if anybody says something, why pindura? I think I'm about post doesn't episode.
Oh, damn.
That's good.
Oh yeah, but not will be but when you reunion.
Wabayera.
Like waba poster atrozo waona chimwe chitu. Ndio lamta net na ndi azita
mama. Nendo zvita kama mmoja.
Ndio zori number something because check profile yam. Ndana chimwe chitu.
No, nendo zvita. Remember we once had this conversation then kuri bullying kari ruwenga bullying inari zvito riniweka level nt. Unfortunately we have to do that because people are full of nonsense. Ndo zvita zvino kaya posting weyera rikwamba nga pregnancy or whatever. Oh yeah, marriage because my marriage and I was like, yo, marriage in general is just scary lately. Someone was like, you're just thinking like a hoe. And I just nepe chao. Tungasi buzo mtu nambara colors at 9. I was like, no fucking ways. Took his picture and I'm like, unfortunately I'm not gonna listen to a man that goes outside looking like this.
Oh, it was a guy even?
It was an old man.
And I
was waiting for him to come back. Because people freedom of expression insult. What do you mean a hoe? Exactly. But like it's like a not like a bitch. You know? So I'm like, no, I'm not gonna take that from you. It could be anybody else.
What's the content about?
My
the content that you're making now.
I don't know. It's random.
Content, man.
It's random. It just comes to my head and then I write it.
You write even?
Yeah, I write captions.
But still, konje like so.
It's so funny.
The one that's trending, which one is the has a million? Which one was it?
And pregnancy. Yeah, girl to girl don't get pregnant. And then there's this one.
Tell me why they shouldn't get pregnant, man. No, we're trying to get
them pregnant. Because men are trash. Yo, men are not trash. And yeah, if you're 28 and confused, welcome. So I wrote a caption that relates to, like I wrote it in the moon. Let me read it.
Oh, because you're confused here. Yeah, bro, you're so confused.
Dude, I don't like your tone, dog. Okay. Yeah. You wake up one day and you're 28, right? You are dealing with this insomnia, ignoring your anxiety, no child, just vibes. You love warm nights, your mini skirts, and your favorite color is still pink. Some days you feel like you're a full adult. Other days you feel like I'm actually just a child. Fuck you. You are not 100% sure you chose the right career, but you love it anyway. Choosing the right partner, it feels impossible. If he likes you, you don't like him. If you like him, he has a baby mama. Now you're building side hustles, trying to afford seeing the world before retirement. That's my favorite line. Some days some days you're deep in prayer and other days you're low-key mad at God. You forget to check on your friends because life is lifing and sometimes you randomly wonder how you're gonna die. If you're 28 and confused, you're not alone. Welcome. So this one, I feel like it didn't do as good as the pregnancy one, but it had more interaction in terms of a lot of people related. I actually got funny enough never content yanga. That's weird, ne?
Because you know
no, but how do they know?
Bruh, TikTok is the
and when Nigeria, do you know that there's a girl who commenting or let's hang out. Lagos, yeah. She's like an influencer in Nigeria. So she was like 28 years hang out, who is in? People started saying, no, I'm in. And guess what? They're planning like a whole event.
Where are they doing it?
In Nigeria.
Come on, man. What did they happen?
Okay, there's a whole group where there's a venue and prices. This is the venue. I'm telling you.
Are you going?
No, I can't. Near July. If it was in December, that don't need to
they should cover you. They can cover your costs in
No, they said I can write something so they can say there or whatever.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Are you in the right career path? I think that's something I picked up from that.
I think I am. I don't know. But I wouldn't. Nendika position in a switch. I wouldn't mind switching. I've done it before. I don't know. Anything. Had that spot or something in the office that I can do. I could like divert. I feel like an age young I didn't intend to
Yeah,
pick.
you're very young.
Yeah, you can do whatever. If you can do it, guys. Like namze over 35 na fauri IT we understand. Go in. I don't think
the pregnant one. I'm interested in that one.
Why are people so interested in that one?
Because I want to know why you're saying they shouldn't
why
get...
I'm saying people shouldn't get pregnant. Like I said, I've always felt like it's more favorable for men than women.
In what
and
sense?
I've said this before. Because because when it's time to give birth or maybe you might have planned that I'm gonna do it with my partner, we're gonna have a little family, married or not, or whatever.
Oh yeah.
But then the guy decides if he wants to stay or not. And there's nothing you can do.
Oh.
Yeah.
I get where you're coming
so
from.
it's not guaranteed. So now it will be young. Like don't ever think you are doing it to keep a man or you're doing it because relationship okay, or worst case scenario angaroba
na vatukana nisongona Viagra to keep a lady.
Guys, stop doing that.
Santa society we.
Nendava ndatotuwa ndaya abroad ndatotuma ndatovuya ngori zvidoshionisesa mara uva nayo zvambobeba also but my chances
guys that your kalel ara ndikoitodai sanipanda nayo
no isanipanda mara nizvidivo uri ndi wanu because una vatu vanjivona uri vaiitera uri like it fulfills them, the baby makes them happy. Others are like vapfori udomucomplete onoita chimwe na chimwe muchioni una kiria una mina watosara zvezvo ukodanyanga mutu uchirisana naye. All they want is a baby, and that's amazing because you're doing it for yourself.
And then how do you guys then choose uri okay I get it, okay, like nione inishangona and then nione shangona. There was a point in your moment or decide uri I'm gonna have a baby with this person. Ini decide sanu wrong to right, I mean. That's my problem. I don't think I can decide. How do you see whether this person will be a good dad? Yeah, actually that's my question, probably. They will stay. They will support.
And as we have people that are good uncles, but they're not good dads. They're Hayani.
That's you. I feel like you're a good aunt. That's what you told me.
But I'm a bad mom.
I don't know about being a mom.
I'm a good aunt, okay?
Just not for it that much.
Na good aunt, if I'm a good aunt in what way, you're
like nefuna bana like
Maratifunulera. I love them, but I don't give me the kid for like 2 hours now. That's pushing it.
Would you adopt? Acha radio.
Nayo ono dana values dzawo dzende kodziwana bukati. Ni wane ndikotuma mugudiso re ausema niwe ono vana 5 ono krema wote nditoita ngai. So I don't know. It's just that I'm saying ndiyavafuna, they are amazing, they are so adorable. Nachine future ngechila ndikona ndirera in a very modern way. Atikunurera zva I'm gonna wash him and no, I don't do that. You buy him everything he says.
Oh, yeah. You see why I'm saying you're the good aunt?
It's not being good because mushumu korera. Ndikumpa shigira swakaini as your dad. Abiyana dzigonungwe.
My aunt is the best. Baba chinyitela suzezure. Oh, she buys me toys.
Buys
me food.
He loves dinosaurs. I buy him dinosaurs. I buy him McDonald's. I buy him donuts.
Buy dinosaurs?
He loves dinosaurs.
What dinosaurs?
Like the
toy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Do they want to get him?
I don't like
those are extinct though.
No, that's when you go to some processor maybe. I don't know.
Namsinda. Okay, so namsindi korenda mrengera goloi. Ni vandu kwamba goloi.
Obviously not.
So why can dinosaur no mrena yorochira?
Not some processor. Yeah, but it's fine, man, guys.
Would you be a good dad? Do you think you would be a good dad?
I think so, man.
What makes you think so? No nos bonande na mbagayo na chile chira chiyam. Yeah. Royo renga kota ningo chiyamba.
No.
And I'm like, he's just a baby. And he was still so young when we used to go out.
No, I don't think also if my parents weren't strict, not the one when I was one. We didn't have the podcast. I wouldn't be an engineer, most probably. I told her this also last week, my mom.
Or if they were strict.
If they were not strict,
okay,
I wouldn't be what I am today. Because I feel like that chief.
How strict were your parents?
Very strict.
How? And how did they become lenient? What changed?
I think when the focus akam nakarazi yanga so then that for who
Karadzi ndili tungeti?
yeah
Yeah.
and then atonga babarera
yeah I did what practice you
no one language yaka babe bachoka mana siboni bari 1 2 1 2
kulora big ndayisendela vyakane ndayisendela ko group chat nokuya kopha Louis adi hey
bathi I comment ela comment eri mme babenga ba offer last born I offer first born
like, but I think it's like that because then I can reprimand her but
exactly
like also don't you think monotoneta baby
auna no neta vana vakutodina
vana nungonyana
vana vadiri chikoloni I don't know if mdiri zoneta
botoneta boneta
you think so
I'm telling you and then when ndichisara ndichiyatokwaluwa makuru angava untwarutiyi once mara hovavala kuti vane vaopiwa makuru angava vachi like my aunts vazvidiva vati voti vari nganthane vorwesiwa then andiwaruti ene ndingandorwa kale and makuru anga mukegulu vada vanjenera imakavukati vansefa so it was not bad it was not like pam no it was just votoatempta untwa vambodinhumpati zvino nendoona vononeta because baba vala mtu bonrokata muya nilindera it was that type of beat hela yatha buya ashobona the peach tree if you mean peach muberegisi
wababa man
havuna mwapula so you can imagine yes I'm telling you hela no hala are different tizo oba hani mara hala a no ba yellow
mapula yellow
not not yellow but like there's any different types of apple trees the one yachi yaruwa Venda
ati the Venda tree bana mapula na mtiti
we had different types we had narki we had lemon we had evo
okay narki obviously
we had lychee we still have lychee narki and
lychee zamanzi ya dipa kwa era zona nga December last drop party ro ngobuya koto ziyela zwi but wasongotswa wa mntu awafa pungora na fence
but okay never mind yo muthu anga si hile zvino
why
not fancy it
oh sorry man they don't
oh no bora
mapula obi party
let me see it says any in type it any different types when so ngake GPT yakho nipha chimona chimo ini afuna kugulu ini 1k isha I was still saying uribaya opiwa man last born ngoribona neta bakigulu
maybe ni zvezo kamzinga verineri na manda ndishunga
so ini when you komsemela mina ula mtuku
no just to rivo
usually zwa strict
uradive between wrong na right mamuna
okay urukolisani kota yawe yena kumurengera nafa ingulisani namta John Pass
munga ngozvipa ino yoda runeturo remiaka
iranchi pinduro chigwedhe chone chini tichipwa kono diambera
okay
rodzure una mpopa on you can call mpo
na ini nkamba hola mtuku
ndikamba mutuku tikwamba mulwane
zinozo diambera guy
ubo ebezune ndokamba ndizoma 2022 roya Venda roya lazukwa
roya mtuka dwa grade 2
Shinarnero chimbrana ya mukapanula mtu mati. Ariona.
Oh, grade 3.
Still.
Yeah. Somebody chimbrana a grade R.
Hey. I don't want a grade R la kotanga pale. What?
Asura kazezo. Asura.
Maran ini jamba. So you're going to be do you think you're going to be a strict parent?
I don't think so. No zanda izonto kuzjambori. I'm going to be strict ndawuzofia ini. Ngandani nafunesa ngayebana you won't be. I'm like
I don't think it's about ufunesa bana. I think I prefer gentle parenting more.
Arina yeso kufanga yedo ringwana le mali, don't you think?
Yeah, strict is itomuita zvina lama. It was.
And I don't think ne haye ndachirwiwa ti. Nenda chirwa almost every day. Ndiri like ni arolo fino vya usiku. Machona do funa vya usiku. Machona ro funa do na vya usiku like ni borani.
Did it make you ever stop zvina nkurirwa zvone?
At some point you used to say nguvana liko tomusipara ni I've been to the river randi tuwe so ziko there like ndiko tuwa because at first ndiko shonori ndiko tuwa mabala na dia river yani nzoko ndiko na mali
nenda risa river mara you knew like nenda ndichijena ngamabone kana mabone chifu
that's the thing nenda ndichita zozori I need the jenanga mini ngaswiswi mara swiswiwa mini huvo 7 ngaburinga chilimu ngaburia ndezi nenda mbodi instead of rimabone ndimodiri chipinga ndibona lewo swiswelo boto roy koricha sele tari mara ndione nokuya 7 like ndachi bana ka 7 even
mara ine jina 7
iti swiswelo liko tomotibanyana
I think a block je afunga 6 I don't know
hasho na mabone rivariko cheka like amidini
Sorry. There comes the street lights.
Safana nezitreat zasichashuma Black G.
Yapenda ashiyashuma.
Ushuma nti kaza 20.
Probably. Ine maona zvakoti yosedza ngayo yashuma.
Ingasiitentu. Ingasidzime vanhu vashumisa ino kanombero.
Ayo tukamba yimo.
So ningasitswe ine yakunitusa ningotswa kebo. Guys, vati nitewa strategic.
Oh my word.
Then
you got the gentle parent if I ever become a parent.
If you become that parent, how many kids would you want to have?
2. Just 2. If I ever. Just 2.
Do you wish to have twins?
Uitoro songo boreya mara phase. Just to have a structure. I've been mtu ontsora naye, you know. You know cause ria soda. Nenda ba mi anga beta something phone yakhe yango. Mi amoves, you know.
Nere soda lokutyanga. Nena kutyanga basuli wangalira. Likazanga leva korea. Yakara kutyani bakudori.
And the jokes are so funny because it's really you get to see wow, we actually see our parents the same way.
Yeah,
it's so funny. Yeah, my little brother is crazy. Yeah. So footage today on a group in aba or basola zwabudi.
And the group is the day dina.
It's a family. Nazo like if muthu
aona. Nende wani mariambi.
Hemuna nerivana. Fatanu. So
okay, maybe. Yeah, man. Did you see the lead that turned into a grand you think it's real?
Yeah, marriage. I don't think she turned into. I think ndideni la disease. You know, can be even mean.
Does the much kazina la yumbarera? Yeah, Mara.
I don't think the reason you know come bondione.
Mara nasu ni zakwiti was no coffee. Like I feel like watu watu mu parade wala msizana zinu. Kanola mkeguru. Which one should I use?
Muzke kumuzana.
So you know what I mean? I don't know, man.
But I don't think reason yeyo yori ndingoro edera mindione.
You never know, man. Because she's the one that say
but that's one idea kama tuangana ndiro toma mtu na kwedera mtu otwedera na virgin.
Never like. Now naisa opi.
If you're progeria, you may be thinking progeria. Yeah, it's a very rare genetic condition that causes children to age much faster than normal. Children with progeria often appear healthy at birth, but over time they develop features commonly associated with old age, such as hair loss, wrinkled skin, growth delays, joint stiffness, loss of body fat.
Yeah, she has all that now. That lady.
So
it's very sad, man.
But also nila kunyango project yanga duration ngapani. How long
That's
did it take?
That's what I wanted to ask also. I thought maybe you know. Okay, all I'm to say, oh, there are no mtu mvando no kambiwa. Achivua. No, that's what people are saying. It's not what I'm saying.
Kumuza poem ya mtu adini ya vanda. Hiyo ni apoza.
Kwere. Kalabum kalabe. Shout out to Mutu. I remember. Uba the very record as guest is all so.
I don't know. Mutu dina kasi kwatere mtu anga. Ichi aba. Abecho kutia choweta.
This name, man.
Uvagai.
Oh, did I even ask? Oh, yeah. Ubachisa or what thing? Ubachisa or do no njerere. No vanjerere. Because as a divitawani.
Oh, divani.
Other ANP.
Eh?
Other acoustic and poetry. Some other time. Chad you.
That's cute.
Marana, there's nothing cute about that. So, yeah.
What do you mean there's nothing cute about that?
Divitawani.
No, I'm saying the fact that she said it like that is cute. Because I'm thinking, okay, mara aranjere una biaba. Ine mashopote rangi aonege. Valid? Because tamani aona she's teaching achi like what?
Not just to the tawadi. It says a lot about Venda mamun.
Really? There are people that see it like that?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, nice.
Fana mapana mtachiri ndi shop mall of Africa. Like, bro, you can literally go.
I hate the mall so much. Ini yafuna mall ni?
Ini funa vetu ni uba unda.
Ndifuna complex, but like, can I park in front of the store where I'm going?
Pangami ngobona.
Pangami.
Nifuna vetu so.
So, nditageta waterfall corner, Kayalami corner. Petu ni dijena. Okay, why ndikuti opira factory ndiko ringa broto? Nditokanisa ringa chikipanga chadi ya broto. Like, bro, okay, why ndikuti obadi ya parking? Why ndikuti ita zigzagger? Like, it's too much. Like, it's so unnecessary. And you see so many people. It gives me anxiety. You see so many people.
It's like,
I would do Pangami any day. I register your shop right when you're in the for so but please, can I get it Pangami in the 20 It's way better.
Yeah, man. Also, I was still saying about that lady. Something I could do so Ola Mutu or there
I don't think so.
And then if she woke up, or if we decided to say there, maybe otherwise on tenan into the green.
kharero va singwedira
as o decide said if zoite o there
shino a do va singwedira swika na mzi
I'm just trying to think man uri
na I think zoite over time I don't think it
No,
happened
I-
because
I
ndo
saw
famba la
the story.
mia one va chikwamba va kori yeah
Oh, even the
shiko
mom
dite mia when va kazine bizhinji va naye ende va ndi mutuku kai zvi not in that way.
in which way then in what way then
I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying. But yeah, like I don't think it happened overnight. Ndio none we would say spiritually ngori areli wezvo ndi overnight kare uzori otoedera na muthu woitisa zvimwe.
yeah
Do you think ndivanotoedera muthu otoitisa you guys
matibofarawo muntu
Utwala.
most probably love never vat waedera na mama
navadzana vatwala you know that right
I don't know
you need to be careful
why ndikuudzwane
nondikuramba vatukana guys even careful
so then cameras in there
be careful
naimichaiteya guys now gents nozvipfa musinithogomera kadinitoda
I actually listened to
Vatuku.
another story. Yeah, I lost story mati zvozvonena. There's one man yazvitecheresa. Zvimwe zvine vatu vasenda then mutu one azvibara. I'll send you the thing on YouTube. So I listen to those things in the morning. So uba kwamburi muamuzana kwamburi ene she comes from a very wealthy family. Like her parents are very prominent. So she started hauna mtusi wa Lesotho. And then she was just young, obviously a heartbreak. And then when she came back home, she's like, no, she was crying. The helper is asking, what's going on? I don't know, ndo baiswa ngamtu so. Aransongo warain. Rido dila na indinde ni next week. Martina, that lady from Lesotho was waiting till she goes on a period. Apparently she went on a period. She used her period blood to bake muffins at the guy.
and then what happens
And then the guy turned mad. Like, we both came from, imagine who sent us, because I could also explain as if they come from a very rich background. And then now he broke her heart and then she got mad. She didn't know what to do. And then the whole solution, she didn't think it meant his actually. Like he literally became a street kid. He went in the streets. 1-2, would you like to have that much power and next time? Because I was a kid, I was excited. I'm like, yeah, I would. I'm a join like the spiritual realm. The parents traveled to China. She took her to the underworld, which is like whatever. Doesn't exist. Took her to the underworld. She was there for 3 days. Yeah. Actually, right. And then Lisa, like whatever and whatever, they told her she's going to be so attractive. To a point, what is going on? What happened to you? You look way more beautiful. From there on, they use her for destroying pastors. Let's say there's a pastor they send her. She's like she's on a mission. She's gorgeous. So, but she can't come out. How she will never talk about. She will never. They're always anonymous. She will never bring it out. So she with her or Joina. It was just a little exciting thing because it's not for money, it's not for anything. She comes from a very rich family. And the parents don't know. Imagine in a 1 hour so in Yanisdeep. Join Swanga auntie, not who. They do. Isn't it that why people don't want to see what Valisutu?
Yeah.
Because
Apparently, it was underworld to call when he turned when Jeramuna.
Maramu Jing underworld na.
Maybe that.
You have. It might be like a.
And the body is like tea.
Oh, interview nga yude pasa. Madamu basina. Oh, happy madamu durkakisa. And then ndipo nga ndingamubeka cottage. Nezilo zoedera na wanti ngomnduni. Kabato namba batori bachisha watu ya cottage ni yabo. Mara zoto mubeya room ya wewe passage ni unena ndichifira guys. Ndiabatemba tko na mara ni banchi bubalinga zvi. Ni banchi bubalinga na ini.
So that's called walinge.
Yeah. We are all human. Nothing ngalinge.
Really?
I know okay na diza
garden boy imonga or na the six pack ni alinge.
Apala problem di biko. Antibabo tama.
Maritola mtu wa modia no you can take a shower once you're done with the lawn.
Ava kunukerera ntu femini ni vi.
Na dofazoria. Apa basa ending I just mungu anuna zichere dam cover.
You know what's different? Because women usually fall for providers and men fall for anything because you guys are the providers. So whosoever you take can turn into a madam basically. So you guys can have whoever go provider in. Hey, not a mean. No, it doesn't.
I'm listening.
You did that smirk thing.
No, and oh, actually, she's actually telling the truth. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, so Renere Chumlor and go break a marriage kamutu. wanendi udoitananga yachiorerwa ngane.
Oh yeah.
You know, and then marabeyo you are like, is my wife going to leave all this for this? Udokwaturu. Kana tuwa jeno aro. So I feel like we lose, we lose zinji if
now
I
the
go for a
pregnancy
garden
thing
work.
makes sense in Nkayam.
Yes, pregnancy is wild.
And then in his own santo. And then do you hear another? Uri into your peda.
I mean,
Royal.
you lie.
For real.
When?
Okay, arakwamba zinati. The guy who amphonera achikombuza about the 1 year yakodite. He was like, oh,
you know what they did, Nibi? Oh,
hey. He was like, Royal HIV is done.
no fucking ways.
Yes,
Wamba last year, Raya. Last year, Last year. Yo.
Hopefully the rumors are not correct, guys. Rushumeria yope zarinirio.
But do we ana consent to jago?
You think so?
But what they worked in Venda September, guys. That's crazy.
Ndoitwa zvachigombera zviambori. Tindi September ya heritage.
Oh, guys, come on.
Ndi china zvikona misanda.
Chima na yone.
I don't know. Chima na iya daichivuya.
It doesn't matter. Royal was royal, man. Udorozana makazi one woman show.
Na ipo lukwane Venda chine chitu.
Oh shit. Oh, isample lukwane.
Sauna zoita.
Guys, I need the events. What this is the perfect time.
It needs event is aviwe.
It needs event, guys. Do events. There's money in events.
Why ishingatuwa mara tikupfesesa zvakuma?
Maybe they're not making the money that you guys think they're making.
Do they need the money?
What do you mean do they need it?
Va enjoy se vathu nje.
Unga chedi yabo. Wo Bugatti singa chedi yabo.
Ndofuna vathu. Let's give it back to the community, bro.
Give him back ya chipengo ni arwara.
Ini mazori.
Stage ndi bugani arwara bewe.
Oh.
Je dura so event ya dura mamngani. Event is so expensive. I understand if they're not making it back. I totally get them. Auna need.
Shit.
Ningasibe nikuitela utakadza vatu. Mwana mukuti yohola pala nokupanga effort. Una marketing. Hila ine vatu abakuita ndizi petrol. Guys, it's too much. There's so much money that's put into that marketing.
And so I last year panganya na right market na nera namba dzaka zigudi zacho. And ndina nomana guru initi.
No.
I
got it
after
birthday month.
Okay, Royal. Kara nichitichiri sare ni retent ni te afu foot. Nir panger guru the number dzaka gudi zacho zafi Royal. Bari bandeda nandi. Tukulenga dichere tinor marketing na chere. So.
Ingabe gayo dorndo ya stick.
Hey, guru yamu.
You offices. Bala bati taxi bahona guy whenever we do ngomro.
Azozo dara. I don't know. Maybe one of the ticket. Don't you think?
Doing that to my car for a ticket. I didn't even want to go there. It's giving mutu wa
taxi kana driver.
I think mundu wa taxi driver jenage. Driver na unamupanga chibe as mwamba mundu wa taxi. I'm just saying it's giving mutu wa brand ya chikipa dare. Ndiko nipa mabudzi phone ndiko nipa chikipa phone. Rina mabudzi is different. I can do it. Cause ndiko duskanda to da mtu anoko to da mabudzi. Mara ne chikipa na msini nsongo mpandi do bandu amba.
Mara also nene pa kumza kunyanga mtu anoko to da chikiti yo jena.
Maybe that. Mara zo chikipa boni wanu ngomtani.
Chikipa na
Hey, mara are really blind. You see the brand that I was working with just hila ya
for the mute. Oh, ndo approach mom kana kanyangura pa skipa. Mara thermana ndisipazo ni blind iti. Mara tuite maramba zvapera tingazi kufi skipa.
Hola uvi seems mano libona ndando.
Ndachibona ndifuna ntu yaone hapo no.
Yo. The quality ndasiphoso ya abanawo ndikuyiphori mini mara hey kadisebe rwamba rwamba singomra.
Zavuko unazozine.
Na ini sikodo change style chamo.
So ningazi.
Niko eda ka wardrobe yanga. Mara ningazi ndisere chitu cho number tedziwawo chitu apa cha ainiwa na kandi.
Exactly na for ya udwa kumpusha.
Chopa mana gaye na graphic teaser 20 njinji zinenda bana zida zikufana.
Sure Venda ndiko zamomra. Wait. No ndia gift all black. You know be ready?
Give birthday yeah we gift.
Oh. Sombra chena.
So also that December I guess the all black is all white na the.
Oh no white kwanje. Wait all white here associated na me. Na Royal.
Hoibo.
Ile ino solo.
Why we?
Yes I feel what after party.
Aiban. No yeah chitu hayo ndia after ndia September ndiko ma ya December.
Wait una ndia December.
All white.
I don't know all black.
It's right it's 27. Ini ninga gigi ya nubona all white.
Oh, you were Dar es Salaam last year.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
The other year, it was... You know, it was 28.
26. Yeah, 28.
Ndio nenda bado vuanda ndo yaone iwe river view.
Ine there is an into zino. Niko tu.
screen ichitatawo best
atachobo uri kutozviplan guys rinye kuita gigi la futi rabona ridoona date dzaita zadzuzisanya kuita zvababvanda mani ukotuwa
ndingovudzira mini vachidoka vasawiza plane
nono zviyamba naini uri nichibva ghana nachidya nigeria you literally said it here kashow
yeah
kana zvakoma what am I missing there's nothing ichila chitori chantu
chabutle
yeah
butle
butle yona chabutle une chila chola muna ofi ndizabadhamo mipame yone ndivadovekani
you mean the thingy
mashudu isof mashudu's wife call ya video call
ndo guys apala petu obo kuitia mini
apala petu utonga wala muna awala muthu ndi side chick no awala mfumakadzi vakavo kufonera ndi mfumakadzi ofia so ngo say ofona ndi side chick utonga
kumbra video zvino
aifani
love lata kwa lambera hembe lata full love okay why wakoswa mberembe vachivula
cause you don't know what to do
and it's that's so zitonga kwambodzona
so but all of that at first I go for like ukuita mini avanofunga hey budzikesi nawo nerobudzi mkono rawo
ndakupfunga bo freezer ndakupfunga utobe wachidepe chawo
what's going on ngandire vakuplan zva dangerous na
vangabulaya muntu ela bombo ine oibika
vakosoko okay yeah so all
nyeleti lichikoposa
all mzana urikawo alamuna vakuhanedza futi tivambudza ri ndinote mimi ndizabadhovaka mimipamba avantuvaruriwa
imudzeni kotojolanda nikojolera uriwa
musazoona kubuzotsindia romuna wanu
ini haya nichijena vana vachishava sitting room and I think there's a lot of men
ndonotutana dzitumbu mbiri apa nini
akututirani naye kana chivafuna nguraro
zvambori vachikofunana mara vasafuni vana never know
zvino zvemburaso ari ene mune asafuni vana ukuzviyambira mini uri before we close kurasana ngavo many minutes
2
okay you think okay nikuzibona una issue ya let's say navana ngwana then as a person doesn't want to support you namuisa maintenance court maintenance court so how do you feel about let's say nezvino ndavana thumbu yanu ini nari kandibvise you're not ready to be a dad like probably anikushuma or whatever nari ini ani ready and then ndaisa phanda ndaenda mubebe niyankoloda
maintenance later
whatever kana zvezvo mwana achiko like
because I think it would only make sense if nezvo zvanga zvanakira because still the
okay mara whether zvanakira kana zvasinanakira nori ani kumutoda ini so anina right yori marando the same way the lady can abort guys please naviyo ni comment if a woman abasa mutodi amubvisa muna onori hamutodi hatenderiwi usadhijenisa kazvo arari ori hamutodi it's a very tricky
there's nothing tricky there achitemusapota mutu ndori chikomutoda
zvambori what do we do now murayo uti yori mene ni save a screenshot yamusini kumudzoka bvise
naini songotana
nomupana yobvisa
songotana mubuzanga mulomo naini that's the thing also ni send reference so unori baby mwana nuri abortion
kana maybe zvezvila zvori
reference to yongono abortion na mabanga watomanga ukwaona
vavidzane nyeleti danbona
reference so nonga I feel like it only makes sense uri if nenda revisani udombhalela I'm probably thinking uri even if zvachimbira kana zvichimbire ndingabhalelwa ngokusapota mwana emotionally kana zichelede nje so ini njibomudhisa now you think okay nedidomukona ngane munhu that's what I will literally think okay inodecide zviita ngori ndozvikona ufana munhu achikoniforce uri mini nisongobvisa thumbu ndidomukona mwana ndidomusupport whereas ini you're not ready so you have to abort it only makes sense that way
kana mubeba namudhisa hanu mara stretch marks
still zvingasi 10
muviri wanga
and also nani probably ngadzizvumbura
na mushumo ni ukudoima wanga mushumo awimi wanga
yeah
it's crazy
so yeah
maternity no
so nari aniko support mucho probably bazilawyer bazidiva uri niita mini chiyakote zvaso
malera kartuze kari wachipiwa kipiwa the screenshots ngori
you wanted to tell me something about and which some of
what the ex-husband was short Ntoni Midrand Blue Valley
Blue Valley in the
estate little Blue Valley in the palace chere dinner board
I know a guy that stays there
chobu yasnembe ayasisnembe chofa no ndakubona broadcast
uri snap chofafa
the iri intimate something the mkhodu Monday
yeah what happened there okubulelo mini
I have no idea nobody knows
ono yakantu kama janga kai because I think those are the people that have been targeted now has he been there
ati the
kama janga ndi mapulisa ne no mapulisa mara edog kutonga ndiyo ni anti yazvigevenga maybe wayaka edog
ndinomudiva timudivi ndomuvona nepala zvezvo zvino kufika unotunjiwa nazvorova na-ex-husband kana anamini ini at least ndiyadiva munhu wa zvino
nendidiva zvino
nimudivira gai
ati vakuthi trende nepa
trendero itani
uri vakufunana vainlava
oitisani mutoni
owopisa
atsula wabi yapo afodiwa kuchimana namanda dupont
wait
ini ngwamani kwamba wambada
ndiyabaconfuse amanda dupont nantuma
nambuhlesa mwazo akuve vafana ngamini vala vatongodipengisa naini
no like literally like the whole time rikuzviyamba ti nethoni yanga
uvuma amanda no buhle ndi nthu wa muvango man tsidi
ndiwe wapfurarero
tsidi man achipi
tsidi matsidiso
eti ndiye
wamulalo
hayi uyu asiwa mulalo
no not the book rikora mulalo ntirumbusa pano abakusukuri
guys, it was such a scary thing because I'm imagining so you're getting la no out then you are
wait so you're getting like state like nishikoto not any jana nepo
oh damn ashko jana so imagine any apparently so it was a bike they used bikes.
I think the bikes are the best for Suja so cause gurui
why you go to advise your meda
okay so don't take my advice guys
with video ka TikTok ngomuntu akori the best shoe to wear ni joke commit murder guys come on it's a joke the best shoe to wear is a shoe that's not your size for two reasons print the way size yang chawbili ndo chimbrani ko limpa so mutu anadoni describe oba ko toni akotobi ini antobi
nengwe ndaibona ndiori if unabulaya mutu by mistake probably you just bury them like probably 8 feet and then 6 feet number the vayambia mufingwa dzichedza dzitoma dzejangwa dzichivona uri ahorungwangwa 6 feet azichaya pasi so guys
you can never say we don't do anything
nikambara mabhutsu nayanagwa dindi la 8 feet and then
navea mutu naranshambara size 3 ni dochimbula slow nishkotobira
that's what we had to share with you guys.
The word of the day.
See you on the next one.
See you on the next episode.
Bye. Wait, this episode is probably brought to you by No man, guys, this episode is brought to you by Matutra Funerals and Insurance. If you know so there's no way to was funeral, but I is about the name. So need any kwame kana mrodza was 015-151-0251 kana 0252. But then they should be banner also na matomo ni kana bukati no bona idea one. So yeah, they're actually doing something good there. Like ngozi what wako join. Apparently but wako join man.
Burungi wani chidere.
But wako join.
My Venda is so good.
Nah.
My Venda is amazing. It's better than yours. My Venda.
Venda changa nishidweni.
Yemta.
Ndiamba ndi black.
Jere ufimi nga Venda.
Trongo. No,
my boy. My boy.
Ufimi cotton.
No. Tumbuni erukoya.
I'll see you on the next one, guys. Coming at you live from Panda Studios.
Your Venda could never. Your Venda would never. Maybe tumbuni erukoya.
Ndotenda.
Is a brave for me.
Mbidi.
Didingwe.
Asizvo. Didingwe ndile Pedi. Yabo. Yabo.
Mbezi yenda zvanga nditu.
Oh yes, guys. Coming at you live from Panda Studios. If you want to use the aringoita. Nyangori Pandiro studio. So I would do the fair respect. Done. Ambani. Coming to you live from Panda Studios to the address 38 Mille Street, Bramfontein. If you want to know more, never work as well. Never phone 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. Kanandivo.maginya@pandastudios.com. Here and go for see you on the next one. Bye. See you on the next one. Bye. Yeah, ningata kwazo. Kai bunga. 12 minutes bunga.